Customer journey mapping tools versus experience analytics software, which one is better for UX teams? Most UX teams get this wrong by thinking that mapping tag points alone guarantees a better user experience. The surprising truth is that customer journey mapping tools and experience analytics software serve complementary but different roles, and knowing which to use can dramatically improve design outcomes. Customer journey mapping tools, like Smaply or Expressia, help visualize the entire user journey from awareness to purchase. They allow teams to identify pain points, moments of delight, and friction across all touch points. For example, an e-commerce company can map a user's journey from a click to checkout, highlighting where users abandon carts. Journey mapping is invaluable for strategic planning and designing user-centric experiences. Experience analytics software, such as Hotjar, Fullstreet, or Google Analytics, provides quantitative insights into user behavior. It tracks clicks, scrolling, page views, conversion funnels, and drop-off points. For instance, a UX team can analyze how real users interact with a new checkout page and identify specific elements causing confusion. Analytics software focuses on measuring actual behavior rather than visualizing theoretical journeys. The key difference is visualization versus measurement. Journey mapping tools help plan and understand the intended flow, while analytics software reveals real-world performance and user actions. The most effective UX strategies combine both, map the desired journey, and then validate it using experience analytics to refine designs based on data. The takeaway is clear: if your goal is conceptualizing and planning user journeys, customer journey mapping tools are ideal. If your focus is understanding how users behave in reality and measuring the impact of design changes, experience analytics software excels. The surprising truth is that integrating both creates a continuous loop of insight and improvement, ensuring UX teams design experiences that are not only intuitive, but also effective in driving engagement and conversion.